Welcome to Build Your Anatomy. In this video, I'll show you what happens to your body if you do 100 glute bridges every day. From enhancing the appearance of your buttocks to surprising health benefits, this exercise has it all. So watch the video till the end. The glute bridge is unparalleled for working the gluteal muscles, including the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus. This exercise activates the glutes, making them more toned and rounder. It also involves the core, front and back thigh muscles, and calves, while the abs are engaged to a lesser extent. The glute bridge targets almost the entire lower body, making it perfect for those aiming to strengthen their legs and enhance their buttocks. Pumped up buttocks aren't just aesthetically pleasing, they're functionally beneficial too. Strong glutes aid in performing other key exercises. One reputable study found that glute bridges activate more muscle fibers in the glutes than squats do. The glute bridge is versatile. It can be used as a warm-up exercise or as part of a core workout. Its significant advantage is that it can be performed anywhere, whether in the gym, at home, or even in a hotel room. Moreover, glute bridges increase the strength of the gluteal muscles, which is beneficial during deadlifts, lunges, and squats. Perform it with additional weights for greater activation of the gluteal muscles. The gluteus maximus muscle plays a crucial role in hip extension, which is essential for maintaining good posture. Regularly exercising your glutes strengthens these muscles, leading to a significant improvement in posture. Back pain during activities like deadlifts, squats, walking, running, or even sitting can be a sign of weak gluteal muscles. After a month of regular glute bridge training, you may notice that walking and running become easier, and back pain, particularly in the lower back, diminishes. This improvement is due to the strengthened gluteal and back muscles and increased endurance. Additionally, the glute bridge puts minimal pressure on the knee joints, unlike squats. The glute bridge is an excellent exercise for weight loss and shaping the lower body. If you aim to tone your glutes while burning fat, incorporating variations of the glute bridge into your routine is highly effective. Strong glutes contribute to overall athletic performance. They improve stability during exercises, enhance endurance during cardio workouts, and ensure better performance in strength sports. The glutes activate the hip joint, coordinating leg movements. Beginners may find it easier to strengthen their glutes with glute bridges compared to squats or deadlifts, as weaker glutes don't effectively activate the hips. The glutes are powerful muscles in the posterior chain, crucial for hip extension in strength sports. Strong glutes enable higher jumps, faster acceleration during sprints, and improved performance in various athletic activities. When performed correctly, the glute bridge is a safe exercise with minimal risk of injury. The main concern is engaging the wrong muscles due to poor technique. Let's go over the proper technique to ensure you get the most out of this exercise. Starting position. Lie on the floor, preferably on a yoga mat for comfort. Press your lower back into the mat. Leg position. Bend your knees, keeping your feet hip-width apart and heels on the floor. Arm position. Stretch your arms along your body, parallel to each other. Inhale. Lift your pelvis until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause. Hold this position briefly and tighten your buttocks. Exhale. Lower your pelvis back to the starting position. As you progress, you can increase the load by adding weights or changing the support. The glute bridge is accessible for beginners but can be made more challenging to match your fitness level. Incorporating 100 glute bridges into your daily routine can significantly enhance your glute strength, improve posture, alleviate back pain, burn calories, and boost athletic performance. Remember, consistency is key. If you want to learn more about the glute bridge and other exercises, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Build Your Anatomy is your go-to resource for fitness and health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.